Alright, the rundown on how I made this work. Removed all the heat shields. I got a length of exhaust pipe that was 3.5 inches long. Not long, around 3.5 inch length of exhaust pipe was probably 6 or 7 inches long. That way it would stick out past the cat by about 2 or 3 inches. From there, I welded a reducer to that. I went from 3.5 to 3, and I went from 3 to the 2.5 for the glass pack. That section is welded. So I slid that on using the stock clamp under there and the gray gasket that's underneath of it. Clamp that down. From there, I clamped the glass pack on with a regular, the cheapest exhaust clamp you can buy. It's got 2 bolts in the bottom of it. It's an 18-inch glass pack. It was red. I painted it black. That paint is cracking. So if you're going to paint over that red, you should probably paint remove it, grind it, sand it, whatever. Or it might have been because I used the header paint instead of the regular high temp paint.